We'll come back to the new one. So this is what's new in AutoCAD 2023 version. And first one is count option. So enter drawing, what are the blocks you are using? So that blocks count done by application automatically. You can go to the count option, or you can select the command is count list. By default, what are the components are available? That entire list we can able to see now. Or you can select to the specific area. Click on this command and you can select to the area I require to the specific part. This option we can select. If not, we have one more option. Count list. You can pick the area and you can select P enter. So there is a polyline. You can select the area, which area you want to select. Other than a rectangle, diagonal shape also you can select. So this area, what are the blocks you are using? Showing on the part. And this one you want to convert into table. Click on create table. So that is display on the screen. And select the required component. Like select all. Click on insert. It is showing as a table. So how many components you are using? It is completely details is updated using these steps. Thank you.